are the 7 steps to finding a successful real estate investment deal? I'm Lee Harbaugh, pianist, composer, realtor, and real estate investor. And if you're like me as a real estate investor, you're always trying to figure out ways to find good deals. I have found that there are basically 7 steps it takes to finding a successful real estate deal. Step number 1, which might seem really obvious, is you have to find potential properties. Step number 2 is determining the ARV, or the after repair value of those properties. Now, the after repair value simply means what is the property worth after it's been repaired. If you're looking to make an investment in a real estate property, chances are that property has some things wrong with it, and you're going to have to make some repairs to it. So the question is, what's it going to be worth after you make those repairs? Step 3 is, what is it going to cost you to make those repairs? Step 4, what is the real estate appreciation rate in the area that you're looking to make the investment? In other words, how much are property values going up year after year in this particular neighborhood that you're looking at? Step number 5, what is the rental potential for this property? And what I mean by that is, how much is that property going to rent for once you get it fixed up? Now, obviously, for this question, I'm assuming that you're going to buy the property to rent out. If you're buying the property to flip, in other words, you're going to buy the property, you're going to fix it and turn right around and sell it, then this doesn't matter. But if you're buying the property to rent out, it's important to understand what the rental potential is. How much are similar homes renting for in this particular neighborhood? All right, step number 6. What are the monthly costs going to be to maintain this property? If you're going to buy this property and hold on to it for 5 or 10 years, what's the average monthly cost going to be for you? You're going to have repairs, you're going to have insurance, probably property taxes. What is all of that going to add up to on a monthly basis? And then finally, step number 7 is, what down payment and what price make this a good deal for you? Now, stay tuned for future videos where I will dive more deeply into each of these characteristics independently and individually. But for now, let me just recap it again. The 7 steps to finding a successful real estate deal are: number 1, locating potential properties. Number 2, determining the ARV of those properties. Number 3, determining the cost it's going to take to bring the property up to the ARV. Number 4, determining what the appreciation rate is of the properties in the area that you're looking to invest in. Number 5, determining the rental potential for the property. Number 6, determining what the monthly costs are going to be to maintain the property. And then lastly, and most importantly perhaps, number 7, determining what the appropriate down payment and price point is for you to invest in this property that makes it a good deal for you. Okay, stay tuned to future videos, as I say, where I will go over in more detail each of these steps, 7 steps to determining a great real estate investment deal. See you soon.